you think of that for a pizza topping? We've got beetroot, cooked beetroot, some spring onion leaves, cherry tomatoes, they're the long ones, what you call them, plum, that's it, little tiny plum tomatoes, and some thinly sliced mushroom. I'm going to put some mozzarella on that. There's no tomato puree or anything on it. I've just brushed it with a bit of olive oil first. And I think I'll put some mixed herbs and some mozzarella. Yum, 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 yum. There's the mozzarella all sliced up.
Last time I ever dyed my hair, I dyed it like a purpley red colour.
Did you?
I did it, and it went really wrong.
Oh dear. I'm feeling quite smug about this pizza. Because the only thing not organic or homegrown on it is the mixed herbs. I've even put sea salt.
I always feel good when I dish something up and I realise, oh, it's all organic things.
I've even put sea salt in the bread dough. I suppose, yeah, the yeast isn't organic. Is there such a thing as organic yeast? Anyway, there's the mozzarella on it. Look at that pizza. Oh, careful, it's hot.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, oh, I don't know, we'll see. It went all juicy and I had to pour the juice off because the bread was going soggy from the beetroot juice.